Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 8. We want to present our discussion about technology invasive collection methods. Okay, first of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Hafid Adityawan with student number 202.
My name is Exta Kusuma Juliana with student number 204.
My name is Aliviandra Soni Putra. My student number is 208.
My name is Muhammad Yan Akbar, student number 210.
My name is Sumam Yusuf Abdusalam. My student number is 250.
Dian Adana Yoga Pamungkas with student number 217.
Okay, so the topic that we would like to present is about light trap and pitfall trap, pheromone trap, and the last is sticky trap. Okay, next. Okay, for the first is the light trap. Majority of insects are nocturnal. Automatic self-operating light traps may be useful to assess the quantitative of abundance of this group of insect species. Certain insect species use lunar light for navigation. They keep the angle that the light rays subtend to their eyes constant and fly in a more or less straight line. In the bargain, if a nearer and brighter light is confronted, they take a spiral path and hits into the light source. In recent times, the light source, which produce large amounts of UV radiation, has revolutionized the light trap sampling. Nocturnal arthropods, particularly insects, are attracted by artificial light source. Okay, the next is light traps are expensive but are very efficient for collection of insects. Insects are lured by light and fall the victim of getting trapped into the collecting chamber. Light trap data provide valuable information about the distribution, abundance, and the seasonal flight periods of insects. With a minimum effort, light trapping yields large number of insect specimens.
Okay, and then light traps catch crepuscular and nocturnal insects using a luminous source having different wavelengths. Certain insect groups, like Diptera, are attracted in large numbers by incandescent traps, while Lepidoptera are attracted strongly by ultraviolet light. Similarly, mercury vapor light traps catch other insect fauna efficiently. Insects like bugs, beetles, and moths are attracted to almost any kind of light source in tropics. Okay, next. And then I want to explain about pitfall trap. Pitfall trapping is a sampling technique that is widely used to examine species occurrence during surveys, spatial distribution patterns, compare relative abundance in different microhabitats, study daily activity rhythms, and study seasonal occurrence. Pitfall traps are popular because they are inexpensive and relatively simple to construct and deploy. Mental pitfall trap design is a container buried into the ground with the top flush with the soil surface.
Pitfall trap catch are so influenced by climate, habitat structure, food availability, seasonally changing behavior. Insects are lured by light and fall the victim of getting trapped into the collecting chamber. Investigators have no control over the second and third factors, but to control trapping technique. To set a pitfall trap, it is carried out in several stages. First, locate a suitable site for the trap, and then installing and setting a trap, collecting the samples, and the last one is removing the traps.
Okay, now we are moving to pheromone traps. Pheromone comes from the Greek pyrrhelin, which means to carry a hormone, which means to arouse passions. Pheromones are produced by exocrine glands and belong to the semithiochemical group, or chemical signal. Chemical signals are divided into two, namely pheromones and allelochemicals, or chemical substances released by an organism into its environment, which enables these organisms to communicate interspecifically. Pheromones were originally called ectohormones because they are secreted by the glands and have psychological effects like hormones. Pheromones consist of unsaturated fatty acids, and synthesis of pheromones can occur throughout the life of an insect, but its release only occurs at certain times according to environmental conditions and insect physiology. To support the use of pheromones, it is necessary to select the appropriate type of trap.
And then choosing the type of pheromone trap is very important. This is due to an indication of difference in the response of insects to pheromone fed to an area or region. Due to the composition of the different type of pheromone compound, this case occur in the insects Etiella zincanella, where the sex pheromone originating from the Nesis country was not well responded by male moths of the same species in East and Southeast Asia, including Indonesia. Next, then I will explain about sticky trap. Next, sticky trap constitute of colored sheet covered with a thin layer of waterproof glue. They are made of waxed cardboard, glass, wood, plastic sheet, or trapboard, empty milk carton, red apples, pears, or any surface. The sheet color represents the attractive agent, and depending on the applied color, particular insect group will be trapped. Glue types that are applied to this kind of trap are transparent. Attractants can be applied in combination with the glue or lure flying or crawling insect. Tanglefoot, tangle trap, insect trap coating is often used as adhesive and remains sticky during the entire coating period. Next,
Unlike other traps, sticky trap can operate in inaccessible places such as the upper canopy and on top of water surface. Insect collect with sticky trap are very hard to detect without causing damage or the loss of body part. Another type of sticky trap consists of a transparent plastic sheet with glue on both sides and attached to tree trunks. Next. Advanced surface designed to collect insects that may wander or alight onto the surface and are often attached to tree trunk or attached to poles amongst crops. Although not widely used for general insect collecting, hard to handle and easy to damage insects in the process of removing them. They can be good for capturing flies, wasps, and beetles as well as other flying insects, ants, and other flagless inhabitants of the trunk. A yellow substrate is often used to attract insects. That is uh, that is the presentation of our group. Thank you.